Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. Thanks for joining me here on WQ9F Ham Radio. Today I am in Delaware actually, and I am at Park Kilo 1731. This is Bellevue State Park in Wilmington, well, just north of Wilmington. This is actually a twofer. I'm also at the Washington Rochambeau National Historic Trail because this road right here is the trail. So I'm at the park and within 100 feet of the trail here. I'm out here doing a Parks on the Air activation, and if you want to see how I got here, I actually have a second channel that I'm uploading some travel videos to. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link down below. But for today, I'm out here using the good old Buddistick Pro. I've got that set up here. We're on 20 meters. It's acting a little weird, and I think it's because it fell a bunch of times, and I think I might have messed the whip up. But it took me a while to get it tuned. I got it tuned. I'm operating from, I don't know what this building is, but it's right here on like a service road and the Greater Delaware Trail, I think it's called. This must be some sort of historic building. I'm just set up on this front porch right here. Got my paper log. I got the Yaesu FT891 set up. We're on 20 meters, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this park activated. If you liked the video, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see more content just like this. I also have a buy me a coffee, so if you want to go ahead and support the channel that way, it'd be much appreciated, and I'll put the link down below. But for now, let's get on the air. CQ, 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 CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 1731. CQ, CQ, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 0731. CQ, CQ, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 0731. CQ, CQ, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 0731. CQ, CQ, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 0731. Is that Whiskey Bravo 9 Tango Mike uniform? Copy, copy. Whiskey Alpha 9 Tango Mike uniform. You are 5x1, 5x1 Delaware. QSL 54 Indiana. Thanks for hunting today, 73. Thank you. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot Parks on the Air. The Victor Alpha 9 station.
Victor Echo 9 India Hotel, Park to Park.
Copy. Victor Echo 9 India Hotel, Park to Park. You are 5x5, 5x5 in Kilo 1731.
QSL, I got you a 5-9 here in New Brunswick, Canada. Park Victor Echo 5256. QSL?
QSL 5256. Thanks for the Park to Park. Have fun, stay safe, 73.
73.
Thank you. The Oscar Bravo Victor station.
Whiskey America 5, Oscar Bravo Victor.
Copy. Whiskey America 5, Oscar Bravo Victor, 5x7, 5-7 Delaware. Thank you very much for Oscar Kilo, and thanks for hunting, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot, Parks on the Air.
Kilo November 5, Juliet Golf Tango.
November 5, Juliet something?
Juliet Golf Echo, Juliet Golf Echo, QSL.
QSL, Juliet Golf Echo, 5x9 in Delaware today.
Roger, roger, you're
Thanks for Texas, and thanks for hunting. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Bravo Tango.
Kilo India 5, Uniform Bravo Tango, 5x9 in Delaware today.
USA, you're 5-7, 5x7, Oklahoma, Oscar 0. Thank you for the part, 7-3. God bless.
Thanks for hunting, and thanks for Oklahoma. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. The Whiskey Bravo 9, was it November Tango something? Is there a Whiskey Bravo 9 station?
Bravo 9, November Delta Golf.
Copy, copy. No darn good. Got it that time. You are 5x3, 5-3, Delaware. QSL, thank you very much for Florida, and thanks for hunting today. 73. Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Whiskey Foxtrot 5, Tango Victor.
Whiskey Foxtrot 5, Tango Victor, 5x9 in Delaware today.
Roger, hey, about 5-7, Mississippi, name David. Thanks for the park and the activation. Have a great day.
Thank you very much for Mississippi, David, and thanks for hunting. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Was there a Kilo Echo 4, I think? Copy, Alpha Echo 4, go ahead. Copy, copy, Alpha Echo 4, X-Ray Oscar, you are 5x3, 5x3 in Delaware today. QSL, I'll have logs uploaded sometime this week when I get home from vacation. Thanks for hunting, and 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Kilo Foxtrot 6, was it Juliet, Oscar, Quebec? QSL, you are 5x5, 5x5 in Delaware today.
Roger, you're 5 and 8, 58 in Oklahoma. Thank you, sir.
Copy, 5-8 Oklahoma, and thanks for hunting. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Kilo Golf 5, was it Sierra Romeo Golf? QSL on the 5-6 Georgia, you are 5x2, 5x2 Delaware. QSL, I lost you there, but we got you in the log. Thanks for hunting today. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo Mike 5, Radio Fox.
Kilo Mike 5, Radio Fox, 5x9 Delaware today.
Alright, you're 5-8, back down into Texas. Thanks for the new park, 7-3.
Thanks for Texas, and 73. The station ending in Echo Golf.
Kilo India 5, Echo Golf. Jack, Chicago, Oklahoma.
Copy, Kilo India 5, Echo Golf, 5x7, 57 in Delaware today.
QSL 5-5.
Thank you very much for the 55, and thanks for hunting today. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Whiskey 8, was it Juliet Delta Echo? QSL, you are 5-5, 5-5 Delaware. Thanks for Mike India, and thanks for hunting. 73. Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
November 5, Kilo X-Ray India.
Copy. November 5, Kilo X-Ray India. You are 5x9, 5-9 Delaware.
QSL, thank you for Delaware. You're 5-9 Oklahoma.
Thank you very much for Oklahoma, and thanks for hunting today. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo Alpha 5.
Was that Kilo Alpha 5, Whiskey Alpha Tango?
Whiskey Alpha.
just Whiskey Alpha, QSO.
Kilo Alpha 5, Whiskey Alpha Delta 058,
Copy, Whiskey Alpha Delta, got it that time. You are 5 by 3 into Delaware today. Thanks for hunting, 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. November 5, Victor Mike November, you are 5 by 1, Delaware.
5-5 Arkansas.
Copy, 5-5 Arkansas, thanks for hunting today in 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf.
Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf, 5 by 9, 59 Delaware.
Hey, QSO, Kevin, 5-5 Wisconsin. Thank you for the park, 7-3.
Thanks for hunting in 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9, Foxtrot. Alrighty, so about 20 minutes and ended with 20 in the log, not too bad. I didn't have a lot of time here, unfortunately. My train was delayed getting into Delaware, and the train coming home leaves in about 45 minutes, so I have to go back to the train station. Thanks all for watching, I appreciate it. Till next time, 73.